Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. One thing I get asked about a lot is how do we add subtitles or captions to our videos? Primarily we add captions to our videos to assist hard of hearing or deaf viewers. However, more and more videos on Facebook and Instagram are using captions as they are a tremendous boon for video engagement. So you might want to consider subtitles or captions for your own videos. In this tip video, I'm going to go through the process we use to create video captions for our Screencast Online tutorials. The difference between subtitles and captions is subtle. Now, subtitles are intended for people who can actually hear the video but might need some reinforcement on what's being said on screen. Whereas captions are intended for people who cannot hear the video, so might include additional descriptive text elements such as sound effects. We tend to use captions at Screencast Online, so we pick up any music playing or system sounds in our videos. So let's take a look at a simplified process for creating video captions. This is a typical video, an MPEG-4 video that I've exported from ScreenFlow. Now, if you do use ScreenFlow, there is a way to create captions within ScreenFlow, but you do have to manually transcribe the audio, and it involves a lot of typing, and it's a bit fiddly to be honest. So I tend not to use ScreenFlow to generate the captions. But before we look at how I do, let me just, I'll open this first. And that just opens it in QuickTime Player. I'll just rearrange the screen. And you can see down here in the control bar, there is no subtitle icon. Now you can also, if I close this down, open another application called Media Info. If I drag this file down to Media Info, it's available in the Mac App Store, by the way. Media Info shows me I have one video stream, one audio stream, and one menu stream. This is the chapters contained within that video, so there's no subtitles as of yet. Now, to create the captions, I use a third-party service, much easier than doing it yourself, and I use a service called Revcom. If you use the special screencastonline.com/rev link, it will take you across to the website, and it will also give you a $10 discount on your first order if you decide to go with them. So let me just go across to the website. So that special link will take you to here. You get a $10 off Rev coupon. Basically just sign up here to create an account. Now I have already created an account. So if I go to login, I'll just log into my Screencast Online account. So that's taken me into rev.com, and we have some options here. So transcription, a rough draft. This is a machine generated transcript of your video. English captions, foreign subtitles, and translation as well. Now the one we're interested in is this one here, English captions. It's currently $1 per minute of video. Those prices are going up in March. I think it's going up to $1.25 per minute. But basically if I click on here, okay, and then down here, get started. Right, this is how we get our videos into Rev. I can either upload the file from my computer using drag and drop, or click on upload files and navigate to the file I want. If it's on the web, I can paste a URL and Rev will go ahead and pull the video from a URL. Or if you have YouTube or Vimeo videos, you can pull them directly from your YouTube or Vimeo account. Now, I'm not going to upload that video because I've already uploaded it and the job has been done. It really depends on the length of time. If it's a couple of minutes or say up to 10 minutes, you'll normally get them back the same day within a few hours. If it's longer, it can take a bit longer, but they normally have it back to you within 24 hours. And the results are normally pretty good. You can go in and edit the file. So what I'm going to show you now is the files that I've already had converted, and I'll show you the editor. So if I just go back a level and over here to my account and my files. Now we've started to organize our files into folders. So if I go into 2020 January, there is the 908. This is the file that I submitted. It's the same file as I showed you in QuickTime Player before. So let's just open that up. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.